What happened?
I broke it.
You broke it?
Yeah.
Let me see. How did that happen?
Cause it ripped it.
You ripped it? What were you trying to do?
I know.
You think we can fix it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What's this?
There's a little bit of fluff that fell out.
Yeah. That happened.
Were you trying to change your clothes?
Yeah.
Oh, and then you ripped her head off by accident?
Yeah. You did her clothes.
Hold her up so I can see. Oh no. Hey, remind me not to let you change your little baby brother or sister's clothes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try to fix it.